good as the Wi-Fi?
Yeah, I got it.
Going to the shit out.
ta confiance, mon gars.
Le Shadow et son pouvoir. On peut régner sur l'humanité. Porqué de pique.
Yo!
So what time you think they get in here, fam? Before or after 5?
I don't even know. I'm chilling. But just trying to think what else is there to do. Let me get a Sprite. Let me know what y'all think of the place, though. W or L, got some Sprites in the fridge. Yeah. Nothing like a cold Sprite, fam, but you can see 4:50 in the morning. Damn, if y'all are awake right now, that's crazy. We're waiting for Mans to come. Neo, Jordan, and... Yo. Fam. No way. Mans just got us right. Okay, pre-sway.
No way.
Yo.
No way. That's insane.
Okay.
Holy. Bodyguard the room. No, their room's on the right.
Okay, yeah, they're gonna be
on the left. Their room's on the left. Huh? Yo, your room's
Okay,
on the
no
left.
badminton rackets. I lie. Don't know. What are you saying?
Here.
I lie.
Okay, this guy's already bonked.
Nah. What are you saying?
Yo, long time no see.
Alive.
Expecting a happy new year.
Okay, no New Year.
Just smell loud.
He's in the next room. Good pasta. Oh. He's in the first room.
Yo, where's the third noodle? I've been saying this.
Wait, did you not?
Fam, I did. It's in one of the rooms.
Oh.
Because I couldn't carry everything in, so I was bringing it in.
Uh-huh.
And then, man lost the third one.
Okay. What up, Team Wavy, bro?
I lied. 5 o'clock in the morning. Mans are crying.
Yeah. I saw her in the picture looking better.
That's why I was... Fam, the couch, I swear, it was longer in the picture, fam.
Nah, they...
Fam, at least said that about the couch.
Nah.
This guy's already sleeping.
Everything is clean.
Bro, I swear I saw you on the court, though. Yeah.
Definitely not where you saw me.
Isn't the bench on the court?
Okay, yo, Rome, fam.
Might have seen me courtside.
Nah, bro, I saw your bro post a video. We got that one layout.
Nah, you're tired.
Where's Ryan's shit?
It's hiding.
Alright, I'm gonna pick this one then. We got fucking jokes now, huh? Man's a pre-laughing the joke. Good one. The camera on my face, bro. Fuck, man. I'm tired of being recorded today.
Nah, you're good.
Bro,
Yeah, I see seriously that you're Ryan's room in here.
Okay, crying.
Yeah, the man's locked the door though.
Yo, man didn't even get the Sprite.
This is jokes.
Neighbors gatekeeping the Sprite.
I am, don't look.
How are they? Are they slushy?
I haven't tried. They're cold though. Feels cold.
My bad, LeBron.
Nah, they're so cold. They're not slushy at all. They're cold and nice.
Yeah, the stream is just reviewing your meat.
Okay, hey yo. Fam, 24 hour.
A lie? Oh, I'll wake up at like 7 p.m.
You're good. You're good. I'm gonna be up early.
I woke up at 5 a.m.
I'll be good.
Listen, that's Sprite. That's not flipping. A Monster. A Red Bull.
Yeah, alright, bro.
It's gotta be fake.
What?
Is this you?
Yeah, this is my teeny. Yo, chill. Chill.
Your feet aren't dangling, fam?
Fam, I haven't even tried yet.
There's no way.
Let me see.
Nah, rap, I ain't gonna lie. I might have to go by height.
Fam, pre-rap. Yo.
Hell no. I'm so sorry. Fuck no.
No way.
I'm so sorry. We are here.
You're good stuff.
The bell, whatever.
It's ass.
Is it?
Yeah.
No way.
You're on it?
I'm on data.
I'm on data now too. I just said on
I
that.
grab 100 gigs.
Yeah.
Yo, please, that's fine.
I'm on data.
Okay, no way. No, he's begging.
Yo, please. Yo,
Clip it, chat. Clip it.
You're live?
low key.
Get the
Loki, just have it set up while you're sleeping.
Yeah?
I'm serious.
Nah, I'm on that.
24 hours shooting.
So data would be crying.
Alive 40 gigs?
That's all of them things.
No way.
You're going to bed?
For what?
I think it said for what?
Yeah, let's check out Sway.
So you said I'm here?
Fam.
Oh, you're there, fam.
Fam, my feet are dangling.
Fam, you're
For
there,
real?
bro.
I'm not joking.
So let's see me then.
Ah. And I move a lot, too. What are you preeing, fam?
Okay, you don't have a Zep, fam.
Because you're pre like this. I'm like, yo.
Man's feet are just
Okay,
dangling,
pre-Sway. I
bro.
think Sway got the best room.
Actually, I could put this up, like right here.
Mmm.
What's up?
But nigga, this is the same shit I
Alright.
did at school, bro.
Swag.
Look, my toes are really hugging the bed frame.
Oh. Okay, let me see.
I thought it was a shower.
It's the same shit I got at school, fam.
Oh.
My other phone, fam. You start swiping on Tinder.
Yeah, low key, I feel like
Yeah.
anyone that pulls get like any bed they want. In any room. No, I saw everything.
Yo, outside. Have you seen it? Have you checked it out?
Outside?
Yeah.
I mean, just around the area, but like.
Yo,
you know,
you see you're a
like,
big drinker,
tomorrow.
eh? You look in the freezer.
Tomorrow, or we
Alright.
can go. Or we can go now.
Ooh.
But I want to charge up my phone though.
What's your phone at?
I'm 32.
Crying. You don't have a portable?
I do.
Well, then use
I just
that.
gotta, you know.
And then just charge it. And then just charge it tonight.
Yeah.